All right, boys. Well, we got another banger recap today. Just want to first and foremost say, if you want to take the trades I'm taking, join the Discord, join the mentorship link below. Um, there's way too much value for the price it's at right now. And I'm running the 50% discount right now as well, so it's just kind of like probably one of the best times to join up. Um, so check it out. Just give it a shot. Or if you have any comments, questions about it, just leave it below. But anyways, as far as this trade, I don't expect many people to have taken it, to be honest with you. Um, this trade, it was actually a little out of my comfort zone, if I'm being honest. Reason being because it was a 15 second. Um, I did it for the RR purposes because the only other trade there was really was like this 4 minute, and you see the close. I had a feeling this would happen, but let me run you through it, um, and go from there. So, coming into the morning, right? If it loads, we'll go on the high time frame first. We were still, trending upwards still again from this SMT from the previous um, couple days. Um, so we had the SMT still, that big push up. I'm still looking for that full follow through, kind of like in this high time frame market maker buy model, right? I really like this high for a full target. Obviously, I'm not going to hold to that, but just kind of like to act as a magnet for where price might want to go. And then we can kind of zoom down a little bit. We see on the 1 hour chart, we got this intermediate low down here inside of this gap that looked pretty juicy in my opinion. So I was kind of hoping 930 would send us lower, take that out. We did. And then literally right off of that next candle, because we kept falling, I wanted to see that like simultaneous like inversion V-shaped recovery right off of this key level that I have marked out. And we got it right away. We got the 15 second. I waited for there was a 15-second CISD entry as well. Again, just because I don't normally take them, the 15 second that is, I don't normally use the 15-second chart. So I waited for the inverse, we got that, and then the next candle we got the change in the state of delivery as well. And that's where I ended up entering pretty much. So the 15 closed up here, and this is the 1 minute chart, so it's not fully accurate to like the Top Step X chart that I used. Um, but we got that, and pretty much we chopped around for actually a minute, generated some liquidity. We ended up forming this 15 minute at 10 a.m. That's where I went break even, and we pumped up a little more. I went 5 micros, so I took off 4 at the 930 highs, and then just held the last one to the 30-minute gap. And this is kind of what I have marked out here. Like, this kind of looks like that lower time frame market maker buy model. And keep in mind, on the high time frame, we're also in that buy model, in my opinion, as well. So this is what happens when you line the two and two together, right? You get deliveries like this. Um, and in my opinion, this is probably going to be the only trade of the day. It's a Friday. I wasn't really expecting too much today. I didn't really expect to be taking a trade. But at the same time, this was kind of too good, in my opinion. A little bit on the discretionary side of things, but other than that, like this trade, it delivered beautifully right after we got out of this chop. Delivered exactly the way I wanted to. Now, this has the potential to go all the way up, um, especially to that daily target I had marked out as well. Um, but yeah, boys, that's pretty much it. There wasn't too much else to look over today. Again, just the tap of the key level, right? Kind of with that video I made yesterday, the strategy video. We got the tap of the key level, aligning with our bias and stuff for the day, high time frame, down to the lower time frame, right? The two buy models that I thought we were in, which we were. I lined those, got my entry, and just let the trade breathe, let it play out. That's it. That's all you do, day in, day out. Um, but yeah, again, if you made it again this far into the video, if you're still here, check the link below. You will not be disappointed. I promise. Still in the mix of trying to grow the community and stuff. That's one of my goals. I have a milestone for 100 active users in the Discord so we can all kind of live trade together and everything. I think that would be pretty sweet. But yeah, that's the recap. Um, and I will catch up back with you boys on Monday. We got FOMC week next week, so we'll see how the beginning of the week goes. But I think Wednesday to Friday should be pretty solid too. Um, so yeah, boys, I will catch you Monday, and peace out.